A meeting of the Shillong's All Faiths Forum was held with the government officials at the conference hall secretariat today to discuss on the matter of reopening of worship places in the state. After the meeting with church leaders of different faiths in the state, the Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. Preston Tinsong, reiterated that before reopening of worship places, one subcommittee was decided to constitute under the chairmanship of Chief Secretary to the Government of Meghalaya, along with few members from the Shillong's All Faiths Forum, for revisiting back the drafting of protocols and SOPs. The forum also expresses if everything goes well and if the situation in the state improves, then reopening of worship places is sure to happen from the first week of October 2020.
Ultimately, the decision was taken, number one, before reopening of, one subcommittee was decided to constitute under the chairmanship of the Chief Secretary, Government of Meghalaya, and also few members from the Shillong All Faiths Forum, for revisiting back the drafting of protocols and SOPs. Point number 2, the forum has expressed if everything goes well, if the situation improves, they are ready to start reopening of the worshipping places throughout the state of Meghalaya from the first week of October 2020.